Guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a look with this Morphe palette right here. It is the 25A Copper Spice palette. I've been dying to use this palette. I've just had like so many other videos that I've been filming, so I haven't gotten around to this yet, but today is the day I'm finally gonna get into this palette. I'm super stoked. It has so many beautiful colors in it. So this is the little like name chart, and then this is what the palette looks like. Everything's pretty neutral in this palette. It's nice because there's a good amount of matte and shiny shadows in here. So yeah, I'm super excited to get into this and see what I'm gonna create with this thing. So I'm gonna base my entire lid with Overcast, which is the super light color in the corner. So I'm just gonna take my little BH brush. I'm just gonna do the whole lid. This is a tiny bit darker than what I would normally use to base my lid with, but it is the lightest color in this palette, so it is what I am working with. Okay, so that is that. Next, I'm just going to take like a blending brush, and I am going to go in with Version, which is this brown color here. And that I'm just going to put in the crease. Now I'm going to go in with Destination, which is this color right down here. And we're just going to put that right below the color we just did, just to darken up the crease a little bit. That is so dark. Holy moly. The lips, so what are you doing? Hey, he likes to rub his face all over the lights and scratch them and eat them. Don't you, little boy? So that is that color. Now I'm going to go in with, I think, Sunbeam, this super gold shimmer. I'm just going to put that all over the lid. Holy moly. This is so intense. Do you see that? That is insane. Now, I'm going to go out with this little brush here, and I'm going to use this color. For some reason this is called Brass. It looks nothing like that, but it's like a pinky color. I'm just going to put that on the inner corner of my eye. I'm just going to pull it under a little. Alrighty. And then I'm just going to take this little brush here. I'm going to take the first brown I used, and I'm just going to put that underneath my lashes a little bit. I'm just going to take this little brush again and just add a little bit more of that color right under here to kind of blend them into each other. And I'm going to go in with some eyeliner. Okay, and then I'm just going to take the first brush and blend that brown into the eyeliner. So I'm like obsessed with this eyeshadow look. This gold is just like so pretty. I absolutely love it. So now I'm going to put on mascara and all the good stuff. Alrighty guys, so this is the final look with that palette. It is super cute. I don't know if you can see that, but this gold is just insanely gorgeous. I really love the colors in this palette. It was, I don't remember how much it was, we'll have to look it up, but I don't think it was very expensive at all. And yeah, it's a great little palette. The colors are beautiful, they blend out super well, and that is how I feel about it. Well, I hope you guys like this look and enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching, and have a great rest of your day. Bye guys!